got a Walmart maintenance test soon. So it looks basic, but it's designed to trick you. Gears, wires and faults all under pressure. Most people fail because they miss the obvious. So let me show you how to pass it smart. First, let's know what is the Walmart maintenance test. It's a pre-employment assessment for maintenance roles at Walmart. It tests your mechanical, electrical, and troubleshooting skills. It's designed to check real-world problem-solving ability. Keep in mind, it's not about theory, it's about how you think under pressure. Test structure and format. In order to make it easy to understand and save your time, I have designed a table, so have a look. Now let's know about solving strategies. Number 1. Visualize the problem. Imagine movement of gears or flow of current. Don't guess, simulate mentally. Number 2. Eliminate wrong answers fast. Usually, there are two options which are clearly wrong, so narrow down quickly to save time. Number 3. Focus on basics. No advanced formulas needed. Strong fundamentals is equal to high score. Number 4. Manage time smartly. Don't get stuck on one question. Skip, solve easier, and then come back if you have time. Number 5. Stay calm under pressure. This test is designed to stress you. Accuracy should always be more than speed. This was all. Thanks for watching.